Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna show you the new LG G8X ThinQ dual screen. Your Type-C charger. What's good about this one is that now LG is using the function of fast charging, so that's also great. Now we're gonna set this aside. We're going to go back to the other box that came with the phone. What's great about this is the fact that you do have a dual screen that comes in a case. We're going to remove it out from the little cover. Looks very clean, very neat. Has a nice little magnet. Inside, what you're gonna find is that you do have an adapter. USB-C adapter. Also have another small manual for the device, the actual dual screen. What's great about this is the fact that you have an extra screen within a case. So we're gonna turn on the phone for now. We're gonna like the idea of the case, nice rubber. You also have, you gotta make sure that you put your phone directly like this down in order for you not to damage that. So we're gonna turn on the phone and go back to this dual screen case in a little bit. Okay, now we are gonna go and show you the phone. So on these two sides, this is the power volume down in the bottom. This is the Google Assistant, which comes integrated in the device, and you also have your power bottom, your SIM card tray. Like I said earlier, it is a USB-C Type-C. You also have your headphone jack. Great, still haven't removed those in here. And your loudspeaker. Both of the screens are 6.4 inches OLED FHD display, which gives you the same kind of quality on both screens. We also have a multitask level, which is, we're gonna show you that in a little later. We also know that the front camera is a 32 megapixel. It has an 136 degrees ultra wide angle for the wide angle camera, and also for the regular standard rear camera, it's a 78-degree angle. It has advanced stare out, and what's good about this is the battery is a 4,000 milliamps. So now we're gonna go here and just play with the phone a little bit. We do have to agree to some terms. It's showing us how do you want to get the method of transferring your information. Depending on how you want to do it, you want to make sure that if you're gonna do it via USB cable, you want to make sure that you get your USB-C connected to your computer. All your devices, you can also do it wireless, or you can just transfer your SD card. We're gonna go to the settings a little bit. We're gonna show you a little bit about the phone. It has an under-screen fingerprint scanner, which I believe is great. You don't get to see it anywhere in the phone, which makes the phone still look very clean, which to me, looking at it, is very beautiful phone. It has a very complex style. I do recommend you something. It's that you'd want to get a case for this. Keep it, inside your dual screen case, because it looks like the material on this phone is very easy to, slide somewhere in a surface when it's not flat. You can slide the phone, and you don't want to make any damage on it. So now we're gonna go through the phone a little bit. just show you, we are going to install the fingerprint because we do want to test the fingerprint on this just to make sure, it's a good one. It's a very, very good sensor. I'm gonna try this again. Very nice, very nice. So the scanner is really good. Now we are gonna go and install this in. Like I told you earlier, you do want to make sure that you put your charger first. You click it in there. And now you do get little window that comes on the side where you can turn dual screen on. So now, voila. So now you are aware that you can, navigate to this side to both ends. You can keep transferring this. You can start seeing things on one side. Now if you want to swap the screen, you can get the information swapped to the other, while you can still have full functionality on the other side. That way you can still be able to, use your phone. You can still able to use the camera, as you can see, while navigating on one side. So once you're done with this, remember that you can always go back and show the main on dual, so the camera will go transfer to the other side. So you're basically in here, what I'm noticing is that you do have full functionality on your phone, no matter which side of the screen you're choosing to use. It's an adapter, which is when you have the case, the dual screen case on. This adapter is metallic, so that means that you will never lose and have to worry about your charging. This is a very metallic case, as you can see. Very, very good and a strong quality. It's also adapted to a USB-C. So your screen on the outside will show you at least the time, you have some notifications, you have your date and the percentage on your battery. Your fingerprint to use it. It has great functionalities. If you do not want to be using this part, you can just shut off your dual screen. Some of the things about it. Now we're gonna just go to settings, see some more information about the phone, storage. It comes with an original storage of around 128 gigabytes from internal storage. It is optional, but you can always put an external memory. You can have an up to 2 terabytes. So something that it's going to amaze, and this is gonna be for you guys, if you have a girlfriend, they're going to love this part because they're definitely not gonna need no mirror. They do have a makeup mode, which allows you to see both of the screens, meaning girls, no more mirrors. Anytime that you need to apply makeup, anytime that you need to apply some lipstick, you got your setting here. So my overall review of this phone, it's just a very pleasing phone to look at. Very good texture on the case. It's just a unique way to implement a case that has a dual screen. That's just something that not too many companies are doing that right now. After all, it's just a great phone. You do have to now be careful with both screens. That's the bad part. The best thing about this is comparing the price on the market. It's a $700 phone, which you don't have to buy the case on the side. It just comes as a bundle. $700 to me is a steal. If you compare it to phones like the Moto Razr, which is going to probably around $1,500, or even the Fold, Samsung Fold, which is over $2,000, it's just a great value for your pocket with a great device. Very fast processor. I believe it's an 8-core processor. It's just overall speechless on this phone. I like the idea that LG is implementing now. Hope to see more phones like this. So LG, thumbs up on this phone. Great. So thank you again for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. And don't forget to subscribe, leave any comment, any suggestions, and if you want to watch any future videos, let us know.